Hi, I'm Madison Keesler, and I'm a soloist with San Francisco Ballet. I'm really excited to show you guys a new product from Gaynor Minden. Their new roller kit. The kit contains 5 different items neatly packed in this little baggie. It was made with dancers in mind so that it's really easy to carry around whether you're going to studios or you're going on tour or want to bring it home with you. So this is the entire kit. First thing you'll see is a microfiber towel. It's really soft. You can use this to wipe your sweat. You can put it on the floor and use it as a little mat. You could even, make it into a little skirt, wrap it around here. The sky's the limit. Do what you want with it. The next part of the kit is the main roller, which is a perfect size, really easy to carry around, but it's really strong. It's perfect to use for your back and neck, massage all of those really tight areas. It's also big enough to use for your thighs or shins, whatever is hurting on your body. It's gonna work perfectly to break up those muscles, release the fascia a bit, and just help the body recover. So inside the main roller, we have even more products. We have a mini roller, which is perfect for your feet and calves and shins even. And then we also have some massage balls. So we have 2 different massage balls here. This one, the larger one's really good for the glutes and the psoas muscle to really break up all of that tension. And the smaller one is perfect for the tight muscles underneath your feet. There are so many of them, and this one really targets them all. Each item in this new Gaynor Minden kit targets a different part of the body and really helps relieve tension, sore muscles, and creates more mobility. I'm Madison Keesler, and I hope you guys enjoyed learning a bit more about Gaynor Minden's new roller kit.